We're on the second floor now, and there's the pool and the club room. So we're gonna go see the pool first. That's right over here. So let's walk out and see the pool. Can't wait. Ooh, very, very nice pool. I like it. Um, okay, let's see what I noticed about it. First of all, a good amount of chairs. So all the chairs are here, and some of them are in the water. It looks like about 6 or 7 in the water. And then there's more here on kind of a back area, and it's also green here, and yeah, that's artificial, but it looks great. And then there's the pool. So this is a pool that it gets to up to 3 feet 6 inches, and it's not really a swimming pool, although you could swim, and that's probably about 60 feet. So I guess you could swim, but I do think this is more of a social pool. Just with the size and just the way it's built. It does appear to kind of dip down from over there too. So there's steps, can you see over there? And then it kind of dips down. So this is probably more just a good social pool to enjoy and submerge, or just to be on the 6-inch part there with the folding chairs. Pretty areas to enjoy. So that's a great table with 5 chairs over there. And there's some more chairs over here, and these cute circular chairs. Absolutely love these. So niceties over here. This is a covered area with 2 more tables, and then over here are 2 grills. So there's 2 grills ready to get going. And oh, how fun. Oh wow, and it looks like it's gas, so this would be just flick it on and you're all ready to go. This is what it looks like from the community. As you can see, the community surrounds it, and it's definitely a focus of the area, and it's fun. Hey, let's see what the views are out here too. So this is Lemon Avenue over there. Lemon goes east and west. So east is that direction, and then you go up a block, and then it goes west the other direction. So this is a great community. This is kind of the backside, if you would, of this community, and you can see it's just got a great community feel. Doesn't it feel just good? So many trees, it feels safe. This is just an area you could walk and enjoy. But then if you just go about a block that way, you're in the West Village too. So you've got just kind of the best of both worlds. It's private, yet super quick walking access, and then you're in the West Village. So that's this. Let's go check out the club room also. We're putting those all into one video. We normally split them up, but I think it makes sense this time. So now let's check this out, and we'll go to the club room. So here we go in the club room. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is really, really nice. I like this kind of separate room that's here, and I like those wood ceilings. Those look great. And then you've got, even a bench that's over here. That's kind of cool. I like that. Very different. So you've got that over there. You've got plenty of tables over here with bar stools. You've got some more bar stools here with a huge area that you could have an event. This would be perfect for watching big games on Saturday or on Sunday. You've got 2 TVs. Hey, you could have 2. You could have my Aggies on one TV, and then you could have, maybe Bama, Razorbacks, whoever else, even Texas. You could have them on there. Hey, man, my Longhorns are fine. My dad actually attended UT, so I'm not bashing my Longhorns. But anyway, so great area, and there's more seating that's over there too, so that's all fun. I like what they did with they've got a old-fashioned record player here. That's really, really cool. Vinyl. Oh my gosh, love that. And these walls are fun. This is just so cool. This is very, very fun. This is a great room. Well done. So here we go. And then they've even got these gumball machines. That's fun. This is very, very well done. I like this a lot. this is a very cute room, and I could see having some great events and just kind of chilling and having fun. But it's definitely for fun. This is not a to me a social area. I don't see a ton of plugs as far as using this to work. This is just more for fun. Okay, on to there is, I believe, a model on this first floor, on the second floor. So we're going to go check it out.